How to fix can't sign in to Google account on Safari in iPhone or iPad. So if you want to fix your problem which says can't sign into your Google account on your Safari or your iPhone, then what you need to do is simply open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to just go with the general section. Under general, go with software update, and if you have any updates, you need to go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then again open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to just scroll down and go with Safari. Go with your apps, scroll down, and you will have Safari. You need to tap on it. Scroll down again and you'll find advanced option. Tap on advanced. Under advanced, you need to tap on experimental features or feature flags. Once you're on your feature flags or experimental features, you need to just scroll down a bit and you will find an option of request idle callback, which is right here, this one. If this feature is enabled, then you need to turn off this feature. So simply tap on reset all to defaults, and once you tap on it, then clear your history and website data. So that's it. That was a simple method to fix the issue, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.